This video shows you how to replace the photoconductor unit of your printer. Open the front door. Unlock, and then remove the waste toner transfer unit. To avoid spilling the toner, place the unit in an upright position. Unlock the used photoconductor unit. Remove the used photoconductor unit. Unpack the new photoconductor unit. To avoid print quality problems, do not touch the photoconductor drum and do not expose it to light. Insert the new photoconductor unit. Remove the packing material, and then lock the new photoconductor unit. Remove the printhead wiper, and then clean each of the printhead lenses 3 times. Clean the printhead lenses regularly to avoid print quality issues. Put the printhead wiper back into place. Insert the waste toner transfer unit, and then lock it. Close the front door.